Good morning, gamers. It is me, Jork the Pork, and right now there is only one way that you can sideload apps on your iPhone, iOS 17, no computer, no jailbreak, and no revoke using signed certificates, and that is through this site right here. Oops, and it is called CocoCloud IPA Signer. So it's pretty simple to use. First, you're going to come to the link in the description and you want to hit get started. Now, they do make you create an account. I know this is kind of annoying, but you can just use like a burner name, right? You don't have to actually use your name. You can use a burner password. So you just want to go through and create your account. Now, they'll probably make you hit some sort of like verification code that they send to your email. That's fine. Just do that. And once you do, you'll be entered into this page right here. And we want to go ahead and upload our IPAs. So in order, and it keeps wanting me to join the Telegram. Feel free to join the Telegram if you want. But what we want to do is click the like icon in the top left, and you want to upload your IPA file. Now for me, I'm going to be doing Folium, which is the 3DS emulator. If you want to see more on that, check out my video in the description. And you're just gonna hit upload. You can leave it at 5 minutes. That just means it'll remove like kind of like the file upload because you can only technically have a certain amount of files. And now we're good to go. I'm just going to quickly delete Folium from my phone because I already actually have it. Now, if you don't know where to get your apps, it's pretty simple. You can just use Google. So like say you wanted Folium, you would just look up Folium or whatever app you want, and then followed by IPA. IPA is basically the file for like iPhone things. And so then you'll usually find it. So you can see like Emuland would have had it. You can really do that with any apps. You could do that with like Spotify ++ or whatever, or like, I don't know, like Snapchat ++ or whatever it's called. Anyways, then we're going to hit open link. And after a second, it'll bring you to the page. And then you're going to scroll down until you find install with latest certificate. These guys are the only ones with the latest certificate, which is pretty cool. So that's why we're using it. So then you're just going to wait for the app to sign. It might take longer if you have like a bigger file, and then we're just going to wait for it to load. Now, this next part is very annoying. CocoCloud has one of those stupid, like, these things where, you know, it seems like it's fake. It's one of those, like, ad things. I'm going to walk you through how to do it. It's kind of annoying. So we need to basically get the ad code. So we're going to hit add code. And this part's kind of annoying. So we're going to hit view ads. And you can see there's a bunch of ads here. Now, you know, they shouldn't install any viruses onto your computer. It might kind of like spam your search history. You want to click on one of them. You can clear your search history after you're done. And supposedly we just have to sit on this site for like 10 seconds and then we can copy the link. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you want to copy the link. And then we're going to hit the back arrow. And we're going to try and get the code. Now, I'm going to struggle with this just as much as you are. So ideally what you do is you paste in the ad link and then you hit get verification code. So it worked for me and you hit copy to clipboard. If it did not work for you and it like sends you back to the ad page, just try again. Make sure you're waiting for that full 10 seconds, you know, just in case, do like 20 seconds. Yeah, because it's taken me a few tries before I got lucky there. So we're going to hit click here to continue. Now, before we hit get link, we want to be careful because these guys do have the only signed certificate right now. However, there's a chance that if you're watching this at a later date than when I release this, the certificate will be revoked. So I'm going to show you a way to make sure that that certificate installs even if it's revoked. So you're going to come over to Jork Hub, which is my kind of tweaked apps page. I'm still kind of working on it. It's inspired by eSign. And we're going to install the Jork DNS profile. And don't worry, I made this, so it's completely safe. You know, I don't see your data or anything. I don't know how the other guys do it, but mine's just a simple DNS profile made with NextDNS. And so you're going to head into General, VPN and Device Management, and you want to install this NextDNS profile. Basically, what it does is it blocks the links Apple uses to revoke any blocks the links Apple uses to revoke any apps on your phone, so you're not going to have any of that trouble. So we're just going to hit, oops, I don't know why I keep doing that. We're going to hit install, and hit install, install. And once you see that it is good to go, so you can see, let's see, you can see that my DNS is configured. Then you are good to go into Safari, and we can go and get that link. Now, the reason we didn't turn this on at the start of the video is because the DNS profile also blocks ads. And if you don't have ads, then you're not going to be able to get the ad link. So yeah, that's kind of why we did it at the end. So then you can click on it. It should say untrusted enterprise developer. If it doesn't, that means it's revoked. And I have like 1,000 fix videos in the description. And then you can come over here and you can trust it. So yeah. If you get like unable to verify or like unable to install and not untrusted enterprise developer, then follow one of those videos or wait for a new one, which will come very soon. So yeah, your app should work just fine. I suggest you keep this DNS profile on, as if the certificate does end up getting revoked, you'll still be able to use your apps as long as you keep it on. So that's pretty much all. If you guys had any problems, comment them down below and I will be sure to help you. These are just the only guys with the certificate right now, so we got to use CocoCloud, even though it has that annoying like nabs link thing. But yeah, that's pretty much all. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.